There's a new airdrop platform on Solana where you can farm points and earn a yield. Solstice is a new stablecoin platform on Solana where you can earn a yield and farm airdrop points. Solstice has announced new users who provide liquidity to the platform and hold the USX stablecoin will be eligible for the upcoming SLX airdrop. SLX will be the official token of the Solstice platform. So today I want to cover a complete airdrop guide on how you too can make yourself eligible for this upcoming airdrop. Let's get started. So the website is solstice.finance. This is strictly a synthetic stablecoin platform built on Solana. You will launch the app. So one of the biggest factors for this upcoming airdrop is providing liquidity. The more liquidity you provide, the bigger your airdrop will be. So at the time of filming, providing direct liquidity would net you roughly 3% APR versus providing liquidity on other DeFi platforms with the USX and EUSX stablecoins. That would net you closer to 57% APR. Solstice has provided a helpful checklist for you to acquire flares. Now, flares are simply points on the platform. When the token generation event happens for the airdrop, the flares will be converted into the SLX token. And you can see on their white paper that flares are non-transferable contribution points with no intrinsic monetary value. They track community engagement and convert proportionally into SLX allocation at token generation. Again, the more flares you acquire, the bigger your SLX airdrop will be. So for simply signing in with your wallet, you acquire 1,000 flares from the get-go. Now, if you scroll lower, there are more contribution quests you can check off to earn more points. Connecting your X account, partner code, that would be a 1.3x multiplier. So there is a partner code here we can use. You simply type in Orca, add code, rate that was registered, and the rest of these are providing liquidity activities. So holding USX for 3 months, doing your first swap, holding EUSX for 3 months, your first yield vault trade, even more liquidity. And if you provide liquidity with other platforms who have partnered with Solstice, including Orca and Radium, these also would net you a bigger multiplier. And don't forget about Camino. So first swap, make sure you have some USDC in your Solana wallet. I use Phantom, so let's go ahead and click on here. So we have max here. So I'm going to convert roughly 101 USDC for some USX. Go ahead, hit swap and confirm. Great, and that was successful. If you check your Phantom wallet, you do see your new balance here of USX. So next one we can do is our first yield vault trade. Click in here. So this is a vault that will net you roughly 3% APY. So you can deposit USDC, but because I already converted my USDC to USX, I'm going to go ahead and do half of this. So this also would net me more points. So let's go ahead and lock up and start earning. You can unlock anytime. Just keep in mind there is a 24-hour unlocking period. Let's click on here and confirm the transaction. Cool. And then after the airdrop, let's say you want to withdraw your money, go to the unlock section. Here's your balance, and then you can hit max and unlock and receive your token. And to fully withdraw, you would go to the withdraw section and hit withdraw. Now you can always return to this dashboard showing what your contribution is. Keep in mind this does take a while to fully update, but my ranking, I am the top 50% for this airdrop. Here's my referral code you can use as well, so we can both earn a multiplier. I'll leave this in the description, but my USX balance is shown here, my EUSX. And again, more quests you can do to earn even more flares, and the more flares you acquire, the bigger your airdrop. So when it comes to these other DeFi platforms such as Orca, we can click in here. So this is the USX USDC pool. So you can also contribute here some USX, and for providing liquidity here, this would be a 10x multiplier for flare points. Pretty cool. Same applies to Radium. Let's say you wanted to supply either USDC or USX to Radium. So let's click within here. So you could hit max here for USX, and keep in mind for liquidity pools, you do need the equal amount of the other pair, USDC. So make sure you also have some USDC in your wallet so you can contribute equal amounts of USX and USDC. Again, this is a liquidity pair. And lastly, Camino. Click in here. So we're at the USX reserve page. And as far as I know, Camino is one of the few platforms that actually allows you to provide single-sided liquidity. So you can simply deposit one token, USX. You don't need both sides of the pair. Pretty cool. So for this, we would go to supply USX and hit max and hit deposit, and you would earn a supply APY on top of that. Hit deposit, confirm, complete deposit. One more time, confirm. Great, that was confirmed. And if you ever want to withdraw, you go to manage supply and go to withdraw and hit max, and you can withdraw your USX. So another way to look at these quests and or eligibility requirements is going on in the deep DeFi section. These are partner opportunities that have partnered with Solstice, and this would net you boosted points for providing liquidity. This is just a different way to look at the earn flare section. So here you see some of your APY opportunities, 9%, 6 to 3%, and what your flare multipliers would be, 5x, 1x, 1x, and other dexes like Orca or Radium, which would net you a smaller APY, but would boost your multiplier. So it doesn't hurt to provide liquidity on either of those. So there you have it, a complete guide on how to farm airdrop points on the new Solstice platform. I'm super bullish on what the team is working on and excited about their future releases. Don't forget to stay up to date with everything Solstice related on their official X page at Solstice5. And don't forget to check out my YouTube channel where I have tons of other airdrop tutorials. What do you think about Solstice? Let me know in the comment section. And as always, if you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.